You've probably heard of Cash App, right? That super popular app where you can send money to friends, invest in stocks, and even buy Bitcoin. It's like having a digital wallet in your pocket. But here's the burning question: can you actually use Cash App in Nigeria? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I use Cash App when I have all these local payment apps? And you're right, there are plenty of great options here in Nigeria. But maybe you have family or friends in the US or UK who use Cash App, and you want to send them money. Or maybe you're just curious about how it works. Whatever the reason, let's dive in. The short answer is, officially, no, Cash App doesn't support Nigeria. It's designed for the US market, and it's primarily focused on users there. But that doesn't mean it's completely off limits. There are some workarounds, but before we get to that, let's talk about why you might want to use Cash App in the first place. Cash App offers a lot of features beyond just sending money. You can invest in stocks and Bitcoin, which can be a great way to grow your money over time. And the app is generally pretty user-friendly, with a clean interface that's easy to navigate. Plus, it has some cool features like cash boosts, which give you discounts on certain purchases. So, if you're determined to use Cash App in Nigeria, what can you do? Well, the most common method involves using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, masks your location, making it appear like you're accessing the internet from a different country. By using a VPN set to a US location, you might be able to create a Cash App account and use it. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, using a VPN is technically against Cash App's terms of service, so you could potentially have your account blocked. Second, even if you manage to create an account, you might encounter issues with verifying your identity or linking your bank account. And third, there is no guarantee that Cash App will work flawlessly with a Nigerian phone number or SIM card. So, while it's technically possible to use Cash App in Nigeria, it's definitely not without its challenges. And there's always the risk of running into problems down the line. If you're looking for a reliable way to send money internationally, there are other options that are specifically designed for cross-border payments. These services often have better exchange rates and fewer fees than using Cash App with a VPN. So, should you try to use Cash App in Nigeria? Ultimately, that decision is up to you. If you're willing to take the risk and deal with potential challenges, then it might be worth exploring. But if you just want a hassle-free way to send money internationally, there are probably better options out there. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.